Namaste. This is the subject of pharmaceutical analysis, and as we are on the topic of limit test, and we have performed various limit tests before. So today we will see the limit test of arsenic. So let's see the principle. Limit test of arsenic is based on the reaction of arsenic gas with hydrogen ion to form yellow stain or mercury chloride paper in presence of reducing agent like potassium iodine. So in this, arsenic is based on the reaction that the arsenic gas with hydrogen ion is evaluated during the experiment, and it give a yellow stain on mercury chloride paper. So it is also known as Gutierrez test and required special apparatus for that. First, let's see arsenic present as arsenic acid in the sample is reduced to arsenious acid by reducing agent like potassium iodine, stannous acid, zinc, hydrochloric acid, and arsenious acid is further reduced to arsenic by hydrogen and react with mercury chloride paper to give a yellow stain. So the depth of yellow stain on mercury chloride paper will depend upon the quantity of arsenic present in the sample. Procedure: test solution. The test solution is prepared by dissolving specific amount in the water and stannate HCl hydrochloride, which is arsenic free and kept in a wide molded bottle. To this solution, add 1 gram of Ki, 5 ml of stannous chloride acid solution, and 10 gram of zinc is added. Keep the solution aside for 40 minutes and stain obtained as mercury chloride paper is compared with the standard solution. Next, standard solution. A known quantity of dilute arsenic solution is kept in the wide mouthed bottle, and reset procedure is followed as described in the test solution. So you can see here, these are the molded bottle. This is the special apparatus which we use. Apparatus as per the IP 1996 is, this apparatus has following parts. Apparatus is 60 ml generated bottle with 40 ml indicated line, glass tube with 0.5 mm inner diameter, a ground joint glass tube with 0.5 mm inner diameter and 18 mm outer diameter at the joint. Inner joint and the outer joint form a concentric circle. Rubber stopper, narrow part of the glass tube B. Glass wool is inserted up to this part. Lead acetate, cotton plug or wool. Next is the reason. Stannous chloride is used for complete evaluation of arsenic. Zinc, potassium iodine and chloride is used as a reducing agent. Hydrochloric acid is used to make the solution acidic. Next is the lead acetate or paper are used to trap an hydrogen sulfide which may be evaluated along with arsenic. So by this we can know about the limit test of the arsenic, and we can easily perform that by using this special instrument or apparatus. So here we have completed this topic. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.